Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, I'm so super excited to do video. Guys, hubby just came back from Africa. Yes, after about 5 or 6 weeks. So guys, we are going to do unboxing. Yes, so let's see what hubby just brought from Nigeria. Are you guys ready to see what he brought? Okay guys, let's just dive into the video. Over here at the bags, so I have this one here and the other one is here. So we are just going to take the patient and let's see. I can't wait to see what we have inside the bag. Okay guys, let's dive into the video. Guys, over here are the 2 bags, so I can't wait to open it, to unbox it with you guys. Let's see what we have in there. This is leaf. Let's see. Yeah, this is leaf. As you guys can see, but at the moment I don't know which type of leaf, whether it's bitter leaf or a berbere or all those kind of stuff. So I'm going to be, checking it later. I'm just going to bring it out. Yeah. Oh, over here is crayfish. The rubber just got stored. So I'm just going to be transferring it to my dining table. I also have another rubber bag here for crayfish. And over here is my pepper. This is pepper, guys. Let's see what we have in here. Wow! Did you guys see this? This is prawns. Look at it. Oh yeah. This is the big one. This is what we call anytime in my dialect. Anytime. The next one is stockfish, guys. Stockfish. This is stockfish. Wow. And over here I have organic honey. This honey is from the village. Yes, I ordered this honey from the village. Look at it, very thick. This is what we call organic honey. I'm going to be using it for my skincare, for my DIYs. And over here I also have okporoko. Oh yeah. Okporoko. Okporoko. Oh my god. Okporoko. You look as if you went to the market of okporoko. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we have here. I'm just bringing it out for you guys to see. I'm going to do a part 2 of this video. And over here, I don't know what is here. Yeah, I still have some count, which is potash in there. So sorry guys, I didn't know that my phone was not recording. I've just been talking. I just realized that my phone is not recording. So when I try to check the phone, I find out that I don't have enough storage in the phone. So I just change it. So I'm going to try to delete some of the video I have there. So I just change it to my other phone. So what I have already shown so many things that that was not recorded. So in here I have my curry and some spices in there. And over here, I don't know what is in here. Yeah, this is another prawns. This is dried prawns. This is another one. I think I already have one there before, and this is because I bought a basin. Yes, I bought a basin of prawns. So I am going to be showing you guys in my other video. I'm just bringing it out now. Over here is my ogbolo, guys. Ogbolo. So this ogbolo, I also bought a basin. I'm going to be showing you guys. And after I have pour it in my basin. And over here, let's see what we have over here. Guys, don't mind the noise at the background. There's noise at the background. Just focus on what we are doing. So I don't really know what is in here, so I don't want to waste time. I think it's also ogbolo. I'm going to put it there. So this is bitter leaf. Yes, this is dried bitter leaf. The rubber bag just got stored. I'm going to put it somewhere else. The same thing with this, guys. Oh yeah. The rubber bag got stored. And over here, I think this one is also ogbolo. And I'm going to show you guys in my other rubber bag. There's one rubber bag here, but the rubber bag just got torn, so I can't bring anything out. I'm going to just put this aside. Let's see what we have in here. Over here is I think this is a goosey, dried goosey. And over here is fish. Yes, so this is a wee fish. These fish, they are very big. Yes, I'm going to show you guys when it's ready later. So let me just try and bring them out one after the other. Let me see what I have. And here too, I have some fish here. I think this one is ehembe varier. This is what we call ehembe varier in my beautiful outlet. Yeah. So let's go into the main bag and see. Over here, I have a machine here, guys. I'm going to do a separate video on this package. So I will not tell you guys. There's going to be a surprise on my next video after this video. I'm not going to show you guys what it is. See then, watch out for this video. And over here is hair. This is room, to plait my little daughter's hair. So I got 2 packages. This is the first package. The other one got stuck. So I'm just going to put it here. And over here is my spices for pepper soup. So everything is just in here. And here is fresh leaf. So I don't really know which kind of fresh leaf is it. So I'm going to open the rubber bag, then I'll show you guys later after I have opened it on my second video. And this is also spices. So that is it, guys. Thank you also so much. If you have watched up to this extent, I say may the good Lord bless you all in Jesus' name. So these are all the things over here. So I'm going to do a separate video of it. Bye bye guys. See you guys on my next video.